How to fix cleanup option not showing on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the cleanup option not showing on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to check your internet connection. For that, you can open up your settings or you can simply swipe down from the top right corner as well. Check for your internet connection and make sure that you're connected to your internet. After you do that, head over to your settings. And on your settings, you'll need to check for software update. Now, if you don't know how to, this is what you do. First, head over to your settings. This is the initial page. Scroll down till you find General. Tap on General, and after you're there, you will see Software Update. Tap on Software Update, and there, make sure that you're above 18.1 iOS, that is iOS 18.1, and if you are above that very software update, you can simply update it as well if there is an update available, or you can be good to go. After you've done that, you will need to also check for VPN and devices management. So for that, in general, scroll down till you find VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect. After doing that, simply go back to your settings, scroll down till you find screen time, tap on it, and scroll down again till you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and turn it on. Make sure that your content and privacy restriction is turned on, and after you've done that, you can then restart your device. After the restart, this your problem should get fixed and you should get the cleanup option on your iPhone. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.